Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I had cravings for something, and all day it doesn't go from my head. I tried not to have like dependency on some foods, but I had to make it today. Check this out. Well, I shredded some potatoes here and one onion. And in this bowl I have a couple of eggs here, some flour, and I put salt and pepper. The rest ingredient is secret. We'll mix them together and see what happens. Let's mix everything together. Looks like this. Wow. Yummy! I'll tell you. I hope it's yummy. I'm preheating my pan here. And this is waiting for me. Then I have to do a lot of dishes here. And now we have 4 patties frying. Yum yum yum. Yeah, I will make a few today, and the rest will put in the fridge because I like them fresh. Hopefully this won't go dark because potato mixed with stuff goes dark with the time. We'll see. If it starts turning dark, black, I'll probably cook them all. Almost ready! My dream becomes true. Look how quickly it is. If you want something, you can achieve it. And this is how final product look like. This is shredded potatoes, or they called hash browns. Homemade hash browns. Wow, what a lot tastier, like from any kind of restaurants I tried here. Enjoy it!